Hi everyone, my name is Kayla and I'm one of Temple's student vloggers for this year. For this video, I just wanted to give you guys a little introduction about myself since you'll be seeing a lot of me on the YouTube channel this year, and then I figured I'd take you through a day in my life. So let's go. So like I said, my name is Kayla. I'm a sophomore media studies and production major, and I'm minoring in content creation. I chose Temple because of the media program. I knew how successful it was, and it was something that I really wanted to be a part of. And I also really love the area that it's in. I love how close I am to the city, how much access I have to things that I didn't have access to at home, and how walkable this campus is. I can get from here to there in like less than 15 minutes. I'm also in a few clubs here at Temple. I'm in Temple Update, which I will take you to my audition with me today. I'm in Temple Smash, which is kind of like a sketch comedy show, very similar to SNL. And I'm in Sports Girls Club, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's a club where girls get together and we talk about sports. Now that you guys know a little bit about me and my Temple journey, let's go through a day in my life. So I'm back downstairs in my room, and this is my current dilemma. I have no idea what I want to wear to this audition. I know it's just an audition, but I want to wear like a nicer outfit to show that like I really want this. So now I guess I have to decide what I'm gonna wear. So this is the outfit I ended up going with. I thought that it was a nice mix of professional but also kind of casual. So now that I'm changed, it's time to go to the audition. So I am here at Annenberg. I am a little early, so I'm gonna take a second out here to just breathe and relax and prepare myself before I go in. So I just finished my audition. I think it went well, but I guess we'll find out in like a week or two how it went. But there's no time to dwell on it because I have a busy day and a lot of things to do. So let's keep going. I headed to the student center where I got some Starbucks, and then I just sat and did some homework for a little bit. And it was really nice to be able to get some of my work out of the way in between classes. So I'm currently walking to Walkman Hall. I just left the student center. I was there for about an hour. And I have technology and culture with Barry Vacker. Really great class, actually. I'm learning a lot, and it's only like the 4th class. So I'm super excited to learn more, and I will check in with you guys when my class is over. So I just left Walkman Hall, and I am now heading to my next class, which is Intro to Advertising. And it is in like the student health building, which I didn't even know had classes in it. But I only have 10 minutes in between classes. Luckily, it's only like a 5-minute walk, so I'll make it there in time. But I'm very excited for class today, so I will see you after Intro to Advertising. After class, I headed across the street to Rally House to get some Eagles merch because my roommate and I are hosting a watch party tonight for the first game of the season. I shopped around, tried some things on, and I ultimately went with a Saquon Barkley t-shirt. Then I stopped by Fresh Grocer because I needed a few ingredients to cook some stuff up for tonight. Hi guys, just got back from Fresh Grocer. I'm gonna change because I've been out and about all day. So I just want to get into comfy clothes, but then I'm gonna go upstairs and I am gonna work on cooking because we only have like 2 hours until people start coming over for this party. So I gotta get moving. I started off by making a corn salsa, and here's me realizing I don't actually know how to cut an onion, but we got it all figured out. It's okay. And the corn salsa turned out so amazing. It's so simple, but so delicious. I also made a buffalo chicken dip. This is my staple thing to make for parties. It's just so delicious, so little ingredients, and it was a hit. Okay, the game is about to start. We're in like 20 minutes away. This is my roommate Ruby and my best friend Nathan. We're all watching. We've got like our dips and snacks and the game. Go Birds!
Go Birds!
Okay guys, the Eagles game had like a suspension because of lightning. So me and my friends just decided to call it a night. So everyone went home and now I'm in bed. And it is the end of my day. So thank you so much for coming along with me in the day of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed my busy day. If you did enjoy, make sure to like the video, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see in the future. And also follow Temple on all our other social media platforms if you enjoyed content like this. It is all in the description. And I will see you next time.